You know we're starting trouble today. Let's go, boys. What up, people? Today we're going to talk about how to start a lawn tractor when we ain't got a key. Or better yet, if the key got broken like mine did. So you come out to your favorite lawn tractor. See mine right here? Well, how am I supposed to start this thing? Obviously, the key's broken, right? Well, guess what? You grab your favorite screwdriver. Mine is a stubby. I like that. And what you do is, you come down to the keyhole port, which is right here. See that? And you jam that fucker in there like that, and you turn. And you turn. Well, there you have it. Another tip for you do-it-yourself kind of guys. That's how you start a lawnmower without a key.